So we just had like a 5-minute spiel, and I wasn't recording. Again, that's Lisette's fault because I still have drunk brains because on Saturday, Lisette made me drink, and so Sunday we didn't record anything. That's why I closed out the previous vlog with just what we were doing on Saturday night.
Everything's my fault.
It is her fault. Yeah. When it comes to liquor, Lisette is usually a bad influence because I'm like, you know what, I could stop. But she is just one more. It's okay. Just, okay, make me kind of drink. Okay, make me kind of drink.
But who made a drink though?
You told me to make the drink.
So because I told you to do something, you're going to do
my guest. And then I said, oh, so you're not drinking me? You're not going to drink by myself? So I obliged, okay? But it was your fault that yesterday we were stuck just sleeping. We slept most of the day. We woke up, we bed, we eat, we gone back to sleep. We woke up, we ate, we were watching Netflix, and then we got back to sleep. We didn't do anything yesterday like that was worth recording. So we just actually went to the store, did a little bit of light shopping, and now we're gonna go to brunch. I think we have about 6 more minutes until the restaurant opens. We're catching Pescadero because we didn't catch them on Saturday because they were too packed. Yeah. So that's all we got going on. I'll show you guys when we get in there so you can see what we order.
Peace out.
Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window.
Are you ready?
No.
Let's do it.
No.
Let's do it.
No.
Let's do it. You got this. You're a professional. Let's go. Let's do it. Chug, 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 chug. Let's go. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Keep going. Go, 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 go. Yes! A real G. A real G. Yeah. So we just got done with lunch. Lisette chugged the last of her drink. So she's definitely gonna be tipsy in like the next 15 minutes or so. Yeah. If not before. But yeah, we're headed back to the house. We're just gonna chill. And then tonight we're gonna have a cozy luxury night in. Some champagne. We're gonna spark up the fireplace and we're just gonna relax. Okay. Let's go. Yeah.
It's cold, yeah.
And it's 47. What's crazy is when it was 25 degrees, she's like, let's barbecue. The sun was out. It's 47 degrees. And now she's like, it's cold.
Because it's raining.
Girl. Sorry, buddy, but thank you. I hope this ain't one way, then I see the stop sign. I'm like, why are you in the middle of the street? Girl, I'm feeling it. I tell y'all. That's the only reason, because I don't like dark liquor either. Like, I don't like dark liquor, but when it gives you that type of buzz where you're like, all right, let's kick it. Oh, shit. You get what I'm saying? Like, when it gives that type of buzz, then you're like, oh, okay. I don't mind drinking one. Like, I could guzzle this down, I feel the buzz. At least it's a whole rich neighborhoods have their type of shit, so much people, and tell them what to do with traffic. Yeah. The hood, ain't nobody gonna tell you shit. You just gotta figure it out. Right, yeah. But that's not breaking.
whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Telling you that I might never go to sleep, stay up all night, doing just what I like. No more hoping, no, I'm right like this. I don't lie like this. I'm on fire like this. This, yeah. Him and her and they on over there. They looking over here. They giving me a stare like I could. Like I could. No, no. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Floating on my wave, I don't care what you say, cause really either way, I'ma do it like that, I'ma do it. I'ma do it like that, I'ma do it. I'ma do it like that, I'ma do it like that, I'ma do it like that, I'ma do it like that. I'ma do it like that, I'ma do it like that, I'ma do it like that.
Yeah, look how they looking at me. I think they influenced by me. They say they not fucking with me, alright. Wish how they looking at me. She want me to slide for the fling. She want me to show her some things. But right now I'm focused on me doing me. Gotta watch step on the tightrope. I never fall off this light work. Know it's people trying to see me down real bad. Same ones trying to meet me where I'm at now. Same ones trying to figure how I got here. I been serving my pop, bitch, shoving my sauce, been writing these songs since 40 and key drop. Tell me when to go, how you think I'm finna stop? I be protecting my inner child. You could keep all of that dissonance. They be hating on me cause they see I'm gifted. It's all from the soil, shit 3D printed. I been doing me like I got a blank check. I been decking shade for the love and respect. Wanna touch stage, cross seas on me. No drama, more flights, next year's looking lit. I'm laid up in somebody's grass, I'm burning the gas to my last breath. Life is so fragile, enjoying the roses so high you can't see me, I'm seated. She wanna breed me, I'm trying to do Fiji. I live on the island alone. I'm trying to be one with my aura before I allow your soul.
But don't care what you say, cause really either way, I'ma do it like that. 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 Yeah, I'ma do it like that. I'ma do it like that. I'ma do it like that.
Yeah, I think she want more than a flame. Want me to give her that moonlight. Everything not what it seems. Real one from the jump start. Gotta watch step on a tightrope. I never fall off this light work. Lord knows it's God's work.
Y'all, why is it this is the second time? Alexa, pause. Alexa, pause. Alexa, pause. Lola, shut it. Y'all, this is the second time in my entire life that I've ever lit the fireplace. Why did the fire truck just pull up? I don't think it's for here. I hope it's not for here.
I hope so either.
I don't think it's ain't no fire. Like, I mean, apart from the firewood. I'm hoping it's for next door or something, because oh my God.
trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling.